morning, everybody. It's Monday, March 30th, and Maggie May, you're our star for the day. I want to introduce you to someone new. Sammy, the turtle. He's here from Mr. Jacob's science classroom, visiting us for a little while. Morning, Sammy. Say good morning. Oh, that's Sammy. He's a chatterbox. We'll check in with him later. I want to show you the work for today, and we're going to start off with a nonfiction article about Pluto. Pluto, the planet that wasn't. And then you'll have a couple of multiple choice question pages. You guys are used to this now for a little bit. The grammar assignment, I want to talk about that for a second. It's about verb tense and how you have to make sure when you're writing a piece that the verb tense matches. For instance, what I'm talking about that is we think of our verbs, our action words. If you're writing about the present tense right now, we want our verbs to match as opposed to writing about something that happened yesterday or something that could happen tomorrow. So for instance, if I was going to say that Sammy and I are watching a movie, we're doing it right now. If I said last night, Sammy and I watched a movie, talked about past tense. Or if I say tomorrow, Sammy and I will watch a movie. So it's about concentrating on the verb tense when you're writing. And then our last part for today is math, and we're finally getting back to multiplication. Remember problems like this? O and H had taught us that the multiplication sentence is telling us how many groups of. So I'm looking how many times we skip. 9 groups of, what are we counting by 3? 9 times 3 equals, and then putting the product right there. So math is going to be heading back into a little bit more of multiplication. And as I talked about with a couple people last week, we'll jump back into fractions next week. And then your equation for today, all the different ways to find the product of 10 times 9, or 10 groups of 9. So that's the work for today, but then I wanted to talk to you about 2 assignments that are going to be due on Friday. And as I wrote down in the email to Mom and Dad and Grandma, is that this is going to be work to get ready for things we're going to be doing next week. So the first thing is on Freckle. I have 3 brand new assignments for everybody. Starting next week, more of your assignments, instead of kind of the articles that you've been reading so far, you're going to be getting more assignments in Freckle. And normally we've just been doing math, but next week we'll start to add reading and some other things in there. So you have 3 brand new assignments for Freckle. And in this email, I sent the code in case you forget. And then also, you have a brand new Google Classroom. And it's called Distance Learning Classroom. And there's a little picture of baby Rosie on it. So if you're looking, little yellow lab Rosie right there. And everyone should have already be signed in and joined this classroom. If not, I also put that code in this email. And you have an assignment for Friday. So right at the top, there's an assignment. It's called April Fool's Day. And what I put in the assignment, there's everybody, is I am asking you to complete assignment by Friday to tell me what your favorite April Fool's joke is. Maybe it's one that you've done to someone else, or someone's done to you, or maybe one that you've heard of before that you can't wait to do to somebody else. So you have your work for today, and then you have 2 assignments on Freckle and your new Google Classroom that will be due for Friday. So every day this week there's going to be a little something new. I talked about with some of the kids last week that we're going to try and get together for class meeting sometime this week, and definitely get back into Read Aloud. So join me tomorrow morning where you'll find out more about new things that we'll be doing in the classroom. So have a great day. Sammy, wish them a great day. Sammy says have a great day. Take care. Bye.